question. In some level, minamahal nyo na ba ang isa't isa?
Ay, sabog.
Pakinggan ko.
Yes, direct.
Ang una?
Wag po naman.
You know, I mean ko talaga, like, there is love talaga. Because we have this bond, you know, the amount of time that we've worked with each other and everything. We're really, really, really good friends. And there is that bond. And syempre naman, because she's my friend, there is that love, you know. And I really appreciate Ashley for who she is. And definitely, I would say that she's helped me so much in my journey. Because kahit bago pa ako, she makes it easier for me to work in some of these sequences, you know. And yun, ikaw.
Ako, same po, syempre may love din. Kahit sino na. Hindi, syempre, love namin si Direk, love namin. Totoo yun, kasi mas makakapag-work kayo ng maayos if love niyo yung isa't isa. And sobrang thankful talaga ako na ang kasama ko ngayon ay si Andres. Kasi sobrang mas magaan talaga, tulad po na sabi ni Direk, mas magaan magtrabaho kapag trust mo or comfortable ka sa partner mo.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.